Hello students, welcome back. Today we will take up our 13th chapter, surface areas and volumes. So starting with the 13.1 exercise, let us come to question number 1. We will discuss all the concepts. A plastic box 1.5 meter long and 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter depth is to be made. It is opened at the top. ये बॉक्स के टॉप से ओपन है. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making this box. So length, width and height they are already given. Length is given 1.5 meter and this breadth is given 1.25 meter and depth is given, or height we can take up it, and height is given as 65 centimeter. So this will be equals to 0.65 meters. So all the dimensions has to be into the same units. अभी यहाँ पे मीटर्स में ये सेंटीमीटर में था, तो इसको भी हमने क्या किया, मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. ये कॉमन एरर है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स डायमेंशंस पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, यूनिट्स पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं और एरर हो जाता है वहाँ पे. अभी देखिए सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, surface area of cuboid. So this is given by 2 times LB or 2 times LB plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LH. Now this box is opened at the top. So opened at the top means top की surface area कितनी होगी, length into width. So surface area of sheet, so this will be equals to, इसी में से भी क्या होगा, एक LB कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो LB प्लस 2 टाइम्स BH प्लस 2 टाइम्स LH माइनस LB, बिकॉज इट इज ओपन एट द टॉप. तो ओपन टॉप सरफेस की क्या करेंगे हम, एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे टोटल एरिया से. सो दिस विल बी नाउ LB प्लस 2 टाइम्स BH प्लस 2 टाइम्स LH. अब हम इस फॉर्मूले में सारी वैल्यूज को पुटअप करेंगे. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इज 1.5 इंटू विथ 1.25 प्लस 2 इंटू विथ ऑलरेडी गिवन 1.25 इंटू हाइट 0.65 प्लस 2 इंटू लेंथ इज 1.5 and height is 0.65. So now we can multiply all this, and so this will be equals to, on simplification, this will be equals to now 5.45 centimeter square. So this is the area of the cuboidal without the top. Now coming to the second part, the cost of the sheet for it, if the sheet measuring 1 meter square costs ₹20. So cost of sheet, this is equals to surface area 5.45 into ₹20. So this will be equals to ₹109. So we got the cost of sheet also. So now coming to question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls of the room and the ceiling. So अभी इसमें क्या सारी एरिया इंक्लूड हो जाएगी एक्सेप्ट द फ्लोर एरिया. सिर्फ फ्लोर एरिया ही तो नहीं रहेगी, बाकी सारी एरिया रहेगी. सो नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ 4 walls plus area of ceiling So area of 4 walls plus ceiling, so this complete area, or we can write total area equals to, this will be equals to 2 times LB plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LH minus this is 2 times this is minus LB. सो कंप्लीट क्यूबॉइडल की सरफेस एरिया इंक्लूड होगी एक्सेप्ट फ्लोर एरिया. सो जैसा ये प्रीवियस वाला क्वेश्चन था कि ओपन एट द टॉप, इसको अभी हम एज्यूम कर सकते हैं कि बॉटम पे ये ओपन है. सो नाउ दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू, एंड लेंथ ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. सो लेंथ इज नाउ 5 मीटर. वी कैन राइट लेंथ इक्वल्स टू 5 मीटर and width equals to 4 meter and height is equals to 3 meters. So we will now substitute these values. So this will be, we can even simplify this. So this will be now LB plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LH. So this will be equals to L into B, length into breadth. So 5 into 4 plus 2 times width into height. Width is 4 into height is 3. Plus 2 times length, length is 5 into height is 3. So now we can solve it. So this is 5 into 4, 20 plus 24 plus 30. So this will be now 74 meter square. So we got this area as 74 meter square. Now we need to find out the cost. Cost of whitewashing. This is equals to area into the rate given to us. So this will be area is 74 into rate is 7.5 rupees. So this will be total equals to rupees 555. So now coming to question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meters. So perimeter of the floor, perimeter of floor, this is equals to 2 times length plus width. So this is already given. Now perimeter is given as 250. So this is 250 equals to 2 times L plus B, or simply 125 equals to L plus B. So this is now given to us. We can take it as first one, and it is given that if the cost of the painting of the 4 walls is, so now we can find out the area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls, this will be equals to the cost divided by rate. So cost is already given to us. Cost is rupees 15,000 and divided by rate, this is 10 rupees per meter. So area is 1500 meter square. Now we need to find out the height of the hall. So we know area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls, this is equals to 2 times LH, 2 times LH plus 2 times BH, or we can write 2 times L plus B into H. So this is equals to, now we can equate it. So this 2 times L plus B into H, this is equals to the area. So area we have already got 1500. So now 2 times L plus B, this value is already given to us. This is equals to 250. So we can write this is as 250 into H, this is equals to 1500. So we got H equals to 1500 divided by 250, 0 0. So this is now 6. So we got height of room is equals to 6 meters. So we got height of the room as 6 meters. Now coming to question number 4th. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimension this can be painted out of this container? So first of all, we will find out the area of this brick. So brick is in the cuboidal shape. So we can find out the area of the cuboidal, that will be the same as the area of one brick. So dimensions of the brick are given. So we can write dimensions of brick. Their length is equals to 1. This is 22.5 centimeter, and width is given. This is 10 centimeter, and this height is given. This is 7.5 centimeter. Now we can find out the area of one brick. So area of brick, that will be equals to 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So this will be 2 times LB, length into width. So this is 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus length is 22.5 into height is 7.5. So now we can calculate this. So this will be 2 times, this is 225 plus 75 plus, now we can find out this product. So this is now 168.75. Now on solving this, so we will solve all this. So this is equals to 937.5 centimeter square. Now the number of bricks will be, number of bricks, this will be equals to area of this pentable area, divided by area of one brick. So pentable area, this is already given to us. This is now 9.375. So 9.375, this is now meter square, and area of one brick is 937.5 centimeter square. So this meter square need to be converted into centimeter square. So this will be 9.375 into 10,000 divided by 937.5. So this will be now equals to, we can solve it, and we got this is 100, because we can write 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So number of bricks is equals to 100. So 100 bricks can be painted out of this paint. So now coming to question number 5th. A cubical box has an edge of 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 1.25 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? So first of all we will calculate the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of cube. So this is equals to now 6a square. Lateral surface area of cube, lateral surface area is asked, so this is 4a square, and total surface area, this is 6a square. So lateral surface area of the cube, now we can find out 4 into the side of the cube is already given. This is 10 centimeter, so this is 10 square, so we got 400 centimeter square. Similarly, lateral surface area of cuboidal box. So this will be equals to 2 times LB plus this lateral surface area is asked. So this will be 2 times LH plus BH, because the rest of the terms will not be there. Only lateral surface area means area of the walls only. Lateral surface area means without the floor and ceiling, only the 4 walls, that is the lateral surface area. So this is now 2 times length is already given to us for this. This is 12.5. So 12.5 into height. height is given as 8 centimeter plus width is given 10 into height is given 8 centimeter. So this we can calculate now. So this will be equals to, now on calculation, this will be 360 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cube is greater than lateral surface area of cuboid. Now we need to find out the difference. So difference in area. Difference in area is 400 minus 360. So this is 40 centimeter square. So this area is greater by 40 centimeter square. So this is now first part. Now coming to the second, which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? So now we need to find out the total surface area of cube. So this will be 6a square. So this is 6 into 10 square. So this is 600 centimeter square. Now similarly the total surface area of cuboid, that will be 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So this will be equals to 2 times length is given to us. So length is 12.5 into width is given 10 plus width is 10 into height is 8 plus length is 12.5 into height is 8. So on calculation we got this will be equals to 610 centimeter square. So now total surface area is more for cuboidal. So cuboidal has more total surface area. Total surface area by, this is 10 centimeter square only. So 10 centimeter square, because this is 600, this is 610. So 610 minus 600, this is 10 centimeter square. So now coming to question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely by the glass planes, including the base, held together with the tap. It is, now the dimensions are given. So length of the box is given as 30 centimeter and width is given as 25 centimeter and height is also 25 centimeter. So what is the area of the glass? So we need to find out the area of the glass. Area of glass. So it is now completely covered, entirely including the base. So now it is having all the sides. So this is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So this is 2 times length is given 30 into width is 25 plus width is 25 and height is also 25 plus length is 30 into width is 20, this height is 25. Now we can calculate this. So this is now 2 times 750 plus 625 plus 750. So on calculation this we got, this is 4250 centimeter square. Now coming to the second part, how much tape is needed for all 12 edges? Now we need to find out the length of the tape. So length of tape, this will be equals to 4 times length plus 4 times width plus 4 times height. So this will be, now we can write it 4 times L plus B plus H. Now see that how it will be 4 times length, width and height. सपोज आई हैव टेकन दिस एज ए क्यूबॉइडल बॉक्स, इस क्यूबॉइडल बॉक्स की ये कंप्लीट क्या हो गया, लेंथ हो गई, और ये इसकी विड्थ हो गई, इधर वाली ये साइड क्या होगी, विड्थ हो गई, और ये हाइट हो गई। सपोज अगर इसको मुझे अभी चारों तरफ से टेप लगा करके जोड़ना है हर एक एज को, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, एक बार इधर टेप लगाऊंगा तब ये दोनों साइड जुड़ेगी, एक बार इधर टेप लगाऊंगा तब ये दोनों साइड जुड़ेगी, एक बार इधर टेप लगाऊंगा तब ये दोनों साइड जुड़ेगी, और एक बार इधर टेप लगाऊंगा तब ये दोनों साइड। अभी देखो हाइट को 1 2 3 एंड 4 टाइम्स मैंने हाइट को लिया हुआ है, सो दिस इज 4h। अभी ऐसे विड्थ को देखिए, एक ये विड्थ आ गई, इसको जोड़ने के लिए एक टेप यहाँ लगेगा, दूसरा टेप इस विड्थ को जोड़ने के लिए यहाँ पे लगेगा, तीसरा टेप इधर वाली जो विड्थ है इसको जोड़ने के लिए लगेगा, और फोर्थ टेप ये टॉप वाली जो विड्थ है इसको, तो 4 टाइम्स विड्थ आ गया। ऐसे लेंथ के लिए इस वाली एज को जोड़ने के लिए एक टेप यहाँ लेंथ में आ गया, दूसरा इस वाली लेंथ में आ गया, और थर्ड वाला ऐसे इधर वाली लेंथ के लिए आ गया, और फोर्थ इधर लेंथ के लिए आ गया, तो 4 टाइम्स लेंथ भी आ गई। तो इस तरह से ये 4 टाइम्स लेंथ, 4 टाइम्स विड्थ और 4 टाइम्स हाइट आया हुआ है। मैंने 4 हर किसी में कॉमन ले लिया, so this becomes now 4 times length is already known to us, so we'll take up this value. Length is now, so length is 30 plus width is 25 plus height is 25, so this will be equals to 4 into 80, so this is 320 meters. So length of tape we got 320, this is in centimeters, so this will be to 320 centimeters. So we got this length of tape also. So now coming to question number 7th. Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making the cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes box were required. The bigger dimensions have 25, 20 and 5 centimeter, and the smaller one 15, 12 and 5 centimeter. For all the overlaps, बॉक्स बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए, छोटा सा मार्जिन चाहिए ओवरलैप करने के लिए, so that is 5% of the total area required extra. The cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. Find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 such boxes. So we need to find out the cost of 250 cardboard boxes. So this that will be the total, smaller and bigger one. So first of all we'll find means dimensions of bigger box. बिगर बॉक्स की डायमेंशन हमें दिया हुआ है, दिस इज नाउ 25 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 20 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वील फाइंड आउट द एरिया. सो एरिया ऑफ बिगर बॉक्स, so this will be equals to 2 times length plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So this will be 2 times length is already known, this is 25 into 20 plus this is 20 into 5 plus 25 into 5. So this will be equals to 2 times, and this will be now 500 plus 100 plus 125. So this bigger box we can find out. This will be 1450 centimeter square. Now area, now dimensions of a smaller box. This will be, this is given as 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So now area of a smaller box, this is again equals to 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So this is 2 times length 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5. So this will be equals to 2 times 180 plus 60 plus 75. So on solving this, we got this, and this is 630 centimeter square. So total area now, total area of bigger and smaller box. So अभी हम टोटल एरिया निकाल लेते हैं. So this will be 1450 plus 630. So this will be now 2080 centimeter square. Now we'll find out the 5% of this area. So now overlap area. So this will be equals to 5% of total area. So this will be 5 by 100 into 2080. So this will be equals to, if we can find out this 0, then this 0 cancels. So this will be 5 into 20.8. So 5 into 20.8. अभी 10 से यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगा लिया. This is 20.8. Now this will be 40. 5 8 ja 40 and 5 2 ja 10. So this is now 104 centimeter square. So total surface area. Now total surface area of one bigger and smaller box. So bigger और smaller box की total area क्या हो जाएगा, including this overlap. So this will be equals to now 2080 plus 104. So this will be equals to now 2184 centimeter square. So now we need to find out the area of, now the area of 250 boxes. So area of 250 boxes, this will be 2184 into 250. So this will be equals to now 546 and 000 centimeter square. So now we need to find out the cost. So cost of 250 bigger and smaller boxes or smaller and bigger boxes. So this will be equals to now 546,000. Now it is given that rupees 4 for 1000. So this will be divided by 1000 and into 4. So 1000, 3 zeros cancelled. So this will be now rupees 2184. So this is the cost for all the boxes. So now coming to question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with a tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stretching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin will be required for making the shelter of height? This and the base dimensions are given to us. So dimensions of cover, length is given to us, this is 4 meter, and width is given 3 meters, and height is given 2.5 meters. Now we need to find out the area. So area of cover, that is now not having the base, all sides covered. So this will be 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. This will be 2 times LB plus BH plus LH minus LB. बेस अभी नहीं है उसमें, तो क्या होगा, एक LB एरिया ये अभी सेपरेट हो जाएगी. सो दिस विल बी नाउ LB प्लस 2 टाइम्स BH प्लस 2 टाइम्स LH. So this will be LB, length is 4 into 3 plus 2 times 3 into 2.5 plus 2 into length is 4 into height is 2.5. So this will be now 12 plus 15 plus 20. So now we can add up this, and this becomes 47. This is in the meters, so this will be 47 meter square. So this is now area of the cover. So area of cover we got, this is 47 meter square. So we have completed our exercise 13.1. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.